Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the Zillow support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the buy, rent, we have the sell, the home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have the manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile. And the search bar in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact Zillow support. So Zillow support has a hotline, which is 877-313-8601 for customer and technical help. Of course, on the website, you can go to the top right corner, click on help. And here, as you can see, it will get you to another page where, as you can see, you can have help for different kind of things: landlords, agents, lenders, etc. Also, for specific department inquiries, you can contact the information provided on the Zillow Help Center page. Reach out to Zillow on platforms like Facebook and Twitter for assistance also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.